Hi, my name is Dr. Huma Hassan, and let's continue our series on understanding the meaning of anthropology. So, in my previous lecture, I have explained that how anthropology is about holistic understanding of human evolution. Today, I want to add on that particular definition. When we are saying that anthropology is a holistic study, okay, what does that mean? See, when I am explaining the anthropology meaning, okay, so there is one dimension which talks about holism, okay. Now, holism is an integral concept to understand the definition of anthropology. Holism means that we are having comprehensive knowledge regarding mankind. Okay? So in holism, we are referring to bio and cultural evolution of mankind. Now, to know about holism, what is holistic understanding? It means that we are going to have two more dimensions to understand about human evolution, that is time and space. Okay, so one dimension is about time. So here we are going to connect past, present and future. Okay, and future. It means that we are going to know about living humans, okay, extinct ancestors to humans. For that, we are referring to fossil evidences. And then what is going to happen in future with humans. So we are still having discoveries. So in this way, we have covered holistic time dimensions. It means that anthropology is totally in love with humans, as Aristotle have said. To know about our evolution, how we have got evolved, we are referring to complete time zone. So we are moving from Azoic period till Holocene period. Okay, so that is the time zone which we are referring. Okay, temporal zone. And now spatial. So with respect to space, okay, so time is this. With respect to space, wheresoever on the globe we are finding any evidences with respect to evolution, both in biological and social cultural, but anthropology is interested in that. So there is no boundaries for anthropologists to know about humans in both dimensions, how we have got evolved and what are we doing. That is why it is the sub branches of anthropology, linguistic anthropology or physical anthropology, paleontology. Okay, we are also referring to genetics, we are also referring to race and racism, applied anthropology. So this discipline is in complete search of humans. So wheresoever we are finding about humans, whatsoever narratives we are finding about humans, what had happened with them in the past, how they have got evolved, controversies related fossil evidences like Neanderthal, Cro-Magnon, lot many and lot many facts. Even today, if we are finding, so anthropology is interested in that. Now we need to add lot of current affairs. Okay, we need to add lot of current affairs. So if we are finding any archaeological evidences that okay, our ancestors or 2 million years back or some million years back, some fossil evidences or some archaeological evidences we have discovered. So that is something we are interested in. We are also going to realize that, oh, are we knowing anything with respect to humans, about their culture, about their biological development? So it is like adding to that narrative, to the story of human evolution. Now, how you have to write this explanation, which I have just explained to all of you. You people can write in this manner. See how I have given some integral points. So, anthropology is the study of the past and present biological and cultural variation within the human species. This is what exactly I have just explained to you. But you need to use good vocabulary. You need to use coherent sentences that is conveying more, because ultimately in exam you are going to be evaluated on your communication skills, that is writing skills. So whatsoever ideas you have there in your head, whatsoever understanding, conceptual clarity you have, it is of no use. It is going to be futile if you are not able to express in words. That is why in entire course of my mind, like in entire course of mine, I emphasize heavily on writing. After explaining that, okay, how you people have to understand time dimension, spatial dimension, what is holistic, okay, what is integrated, what is systematic, then you also have to write. So these are the, like, lines which you can use. See how I am writing, how I have written about this. It is integrated, scientific, holistic study of human culture and biological variation. So, distincting way of studying humans. Holistic emphasizes the functional relation between parts and the whole. No single aspects of culture can be understood alone. Integration of all that is known about humans and their activities. You have to write in such manner. So these are the key terms: past, present, language, holism, culture, genetics, anatomy. So in this way, we are learning what is required for us to understand the meaning of anthropology. I hope you have got little more understanding. You must have got clarity that how to approach anthropology as as a discipline which is actually increasing your knowledge base. So in this manner, with proper guidance, you would really good get good marks in anthropology optional in UPSC. Thank you.